Hello again, everybody. Welcome to a classroom for mental and manual experiment. My name is J.K. Anand, and today with me are my good friends Pamela and Eunice again. They busted me on the first puzzle. Today I have a manual experiment for you. The challenge is for you to drop this cork from a height that is a bit longer than the height of the cork itself, for it to land on the smaller edge. It can be as high as you want, but when you drop it, it should land on its shorter edge, okay? So pick one. So try to drop it. Let's go. Please come to frame so that. Shit. Now the first person to land it will have a surprise from me. Hey. Yeah. No. No. Okay. You just lifted it and drop it whilst you're still holding it. Please come here. Let other students in the house see you.
Abi, this height is okay.
Yes. Let's change cork. Let's change cork.
So why are you changing cork?
Yes. So that you all have a feel of how.
I like the old one.
Wow. Okay. If you like the old one, take.
So I still like this one.
Take your old one.
When you come, you oh.
Okay, I think it will continue for a very long time. But will you be surprised that I will try within the first 3 or 5, I should be able to land it. Okay, anytime I give this challenge to students and friends, they always hold the longer side. So by dropping it, it will fall. Okay, anytime you go to the bouncy castle, how do you land? Do you land with your head or your feet? Or your feet?
Your feet.
You normally land on your back. That is when you're able to stand. Yes, if you want to land and be on your feet, you have to land on your back. Then you. Yes, it's true. So the same way, you have to land on the longest side. Okay. So let's take for example. You hold like this. Then it will land. Okay. Now, if you're able to assume a correct height, you can land 10 times, drop 10 times, and land within 6 to 7. Okay. See. And sometimes it also depends on the nature of the surface. If it's very hard, then you know how this is a little bit
soft.
Not soft, but it's not too
finish with this one.
dense.
For me,
Yes. Okay. Now let me try this one too. This is the organic one. This is synthetic. You can see that it bounces. There's some form of tension within.
Yes.
So I prefer to use this one. You see. Even though it is tapered to the small side, it's still hot land. Okay, then you can even challenge your friend. Go ahead and challenge your friend that I want you to land on the smallest edge or the bigger edge. Okay, it's a little bit tapered from the middle. Then in that case, the side that you want to land at, you point it downwards.
Okay.
So in case if you want to land on this side, you think at this. In that sense, you always land on that side. Okay, that will take some form of practice. Now that you know the solution, try to apply it and see how fast you'll be able to land. It shouldn't be too high. Okay, you see. Not too high.
Like this.
Yes. Okay. So before it looked impossible, but when the circuit is known, it becomes an easy play or chat play. So thank you very much for joining me once again. You are Camry. Please subscribe to the channel, share this video, and see you again in the next class.